Coach. A person who trains others. The coach helped the team win the game. Coach. A large bus. We traveled to the city by coach. Fan. A device that moves air. Turn on the fan to cool down the room. Fan. A person who supports a team or celebrity. She is a big fan of that singer. Fine. Money paid for breaking a rule. He had to pay a fine for speeding. Fine. Of high quality. Example. She wore a fine dress to the party. Grill. A cooking appliance. We cooked hamburgers on the grill. Grill. To ask questions intensely. The police grilled the suspect about the crime. Ground. The surface of the earth. The kids played on the ground outside. Ground. To forbid from leaving the house. He was grounded for not doing his homework. Jam. A sweet spread made from fruit. I like strawberry jam on my toast. Jam. To press things together. He jammed his books into the backpack. Kind. A type of thing. She likes all kinds of candy. Kind. Gentle or caring. The teacher is kind to the students. Pen. A writing tool. She used a pen to sign the paper. Pen. An enclosed area for animals. The horses are kept in the pen. Pine. A type of tree. The pine tree is tall and green. Pine. To long for something. He pined for his old home. Seal. A sea animal. We saw a seal at the zoo. Seal. To close something tightly. She sealed the envelope with a sticker. Miss. To fail to hit or catch. I missed the bus this morning. Miss. A title for an unmarried woman. Miss Smith is the teacher. Hail. Small balls of ice that fall from the sky. We got caught in a hailstorm. Hail. To call out to someone to attract their attention. The man hailed a taxi to get to the airport. Sole. The bottom of a shoe. The sole of my shoe wore out. Sole. A type of fish. We had sole for dinner. Capital. A city where a government is located. Paris is the capital of France. Capital. Wealth or money. The company invested a lot of capital in new projects. Clove. A single segment or piece of a garlic bulb. She added a clove of garlic to the soup. Clove. A part of a tree. The tree had a clove-shaped leaf. Dove. A type of bird. A dove flew past the window. Dove. Past tense of dive. He dove into the pool to swim. Pore. To look at something carefully. She pored over the documents all night. Pore. A small opening in the skin. Sweat comes out through the pores of the skin. Die. To stop living. The plant will die without water. Die. A tool used for shaping metal. The machinist used a die to cut the metal. Cast. To throw something. He cast the fishing line into the water. Cast. A hard covering for a broken bone. She wore a cast on her arm after the accident. Cell. A small room, often in a prison. The prisoner was locked in a small cell. Cell. A basic unit of life in biology. The body is made up of millions of cells. Chest. A large storage box. Example, she stored the clothes in an old chest. Chest. The upper part of the body. Example, he put his hand on his chest to feel his heartbeat.